Let me make this clear. Six Flags Over Georgia is an amazing park and one of the best in the Six Flags chain. But aside from all the great coasters and theming, we think we might have found the slowest lift hill in the world. There she is, Blue Hawk, the 1992 Vekoma that used to be called Ninja, with one of only two butterfly loops in the world. It really is a great coaster, and I'm so happy that they refurbed it and gave it some love that Six Flags Over Georgia is kind of known for with their older coasters. But man, is this lift hill, it's really incredible how it actually gets slower the further you go up the hill. The time it takes to crest into the first drop is truly amazing. Everybody in my party wondered if the coaster was actually breaking down. It takes you a good 15-20 seconds when you get to the top to actually make it over the top. Look at this thing. It just takes forever. So what we're going to do, they have a coaster right next to it called the Great American Scream Machine, and that is recognized by ACE as a National Coaster Landmark. It's built in 1973. Look at them. They're still up there. Are we going to drop? What is happening? What's going on? There they go. So like I said, we're going to take a look at the Great American Scream Machine. Right here you can see the coaster landmark plaque, and we're going to overlay the Great American Scream Machine 1973 lift hill with the 1992 lift hill. I started it way at the top to give it a head start. It is 20 feet or so higher than the Great American Scream Machine, but the Scream Machine's lift hill is known for being slow as well. And if you look at them together here, look at that. It's taken the lead, and it's already to the first drop while the Blue Hawk people are still sitting up there at the top. Look at this. They're already on the second hill while the Blue Hawk is just getting to the first drop. Now, this doesn't take away too much from the coaster, but it is one of the things that stuck out to me every single time we walked by the Blue Hawk, which was quite a few times. I couldn't help but notice, man, look how long it takes to get over that lift hill. So again, great coaster. Look at the butterfly loop there, one of only two in the world. It's really smooth, it's really fun, it's a great coaster, but I thought it was worth mentioning that we just might have a world record breaker here for the longest time it takes to go from the lift hill to the first drop once you're near the top of that lift hill. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow our national coaster tour.